While I was living in Taiwan, I had one of my best friends come over to visit, Nick. I met Nick when I was in high school, and even though we met toward the end of high school, Nick and I shared this passion for adventure. We would go fishing at the lake, go to the mountains, go to the beach, and senior year we went on this epic road trip to the Northeast. We took Nick's mom's old minivan and threw all of our stuff in it, loaded it up, and we hit every major city going up through the Northeast of the United States. We started out in Pennsylvania and made our way up through Boston, up to Maine, over to Toronto. I mean, we hit all kinds of cities along the way too. I would say that's the first trip I took that started me on this journey of loving to travel. All right, fast forward into college, Nick and I were still friends and we went on a road trip to the southeast of the United States. We hit Georgia, Florida, Alabama, making our way all over to New Orleans. All that to say, we love seeing new places. So when I moved to Taiwan, Nick told me he wanted to come visit. So of course I said, sure, come on over and we'll do a couple more countries while we're at it. So we decided to travel to Vietnam and Cambodia. The trip was a ton of fun and we got to see some epic scenery. So I wanted to make this a several-part story of our trip to Vietnam and Cambodia.